What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am doing a short ride and review today. I'm heading to an Italian deli, gourmet grocery sandwich shop called Regina's. It's been there a long time. It's over by Dime Square. It's I think it's on Orchard Street, just below Grand. Might even be below Broome. I can't remember exactly, but we're gonna pull up to it, meeting the cake dealer there. We're doing a quick little bite for lunch before we run around the neighborhood and do some errands. And I figured it was high time that I tried this place because I'm always on the lookout for a good Italian sandwich joint. Get some heroes. I don't know, maybe you call them hoagies or wedges or sandwiches. So I'm just taking this down. I'm gonna take a right on Rutgers and then kind of pull into and go across Times Square. Should be lively on this weekend afternoon. This might be one of the last ride and reviews I do for a little bit because I'm going to Miami this week with the cake dealer for a little much needed vacation. We're gonna hang out on the beach, get some Cuban sandwiches, all that kind of stuff. And you know, while the flex is on the bricks, I have been working on it a little bit, doing I put some tire liners in. I put some slime in the tubes just to, you know, protect against flats. I took the shock springs off. Carlos, Arcane Moto, is gonna powder coat them, paint them yellow. That'll be really cool. I may do the top cap too on compression stem. We'll see. I got that painted with nail polish right now. It's not the greatest paint job. I'm also gonna do Plastidip on the fenders, yellow. And I think I might also get some special tire paint markers and color in the letters for Zoos and Sticky Sweet on the tires. I think that'll look cool. So if you have recommendations for a good tire paint, let me know. I will definitely be looking into that. Carlos had a good suggestion. I think they're called Toyo or something. I can't remember the exact name, but I got them like bookmarked. Let's see, is this it? No. There it is, Regina's. All right. All right, there it is. I'll see you guys on the inside. Uncle John with the Calabrian chili.
Yeah.
I like it. Gives it a little like I would definitely.
Oh man, what a sandwich. We got the Uncle John, which is a prosciutto, mortadella, hot soppressata, provolone cheese, roasted red peppers, lettuce, shredded lettuce, red wine vinegar, and then we added the Calabrian chili paste sauce spread to it. It was so good. It's a $17, $18 sandwich, which might seem expensive for the size that you saw, but really good quality. Definitely we will go back and get more. I'll try some of the other ones. And you know, when I compare it to like Joey Rose's, which is, they have like $8 sandwiches and then, you know, buy two, get a third free on like happy hour or something like that. They're a little bit smaller. They're still really good. In fact, some of their stuff is very, you know, unique and outside the box. But you know, when you scale it to the size of the sandwich that we had here at Regina, it comes out to be about the same type of value and price point. So, you know, just depending on what mood you're in, if you want a couple of different small sandwiches, go to Joey Rose's. If you want one big sucker, go to Regina's Grocery. And really great spot. I'm happy it's in the neighborhood. It's been there a long time. Like I said, finally got around to it. Really enjoyed it. So that's it, just a quick one. As usual, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, share the video. You know, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.